Hello, friends. Welcome back to Speak Like a Pro. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share a very powerful story with you. Today, I want to tell you something very simple, but very powerful. Waking up at 4 a.m. one day is not a big thing. But waking up at 4 a.m. every day, that is the real challenge. Studying for 6 hours one day is not a big thing. But studying 6 hours every day, that is the real achievement. Going to the gym once is not a big deal, but going to the gym every day, that is what truly matters. Because consistency is the key to success. Without consistency, talent becomes useless, motivation becomes weak, hard work becomes wasted, and even the best planning fails. On one side, consistency is powerful enough to beat talent. But on the other side, it is so difficult that even strong people give up in the middle of their journey. Many people ask, I make routine when I feel motivated, then I give up. How can I stay consistent? When I don't see fast results, I lose hope. I want to work on myself, but I get distracted. I want to write a book, I want to exercise, but I always delay. If you also feel like this, then today's story is just for you. Because this story will show you why consistency matters more than talent and how results come slowly but come for sure. So, listen carefully. Once upon a time, in a small village near a river, there lived a 16-year-old boy named Rohan. His family was very poor. His father ran a small wooden shop. From that small shop, the whole family survived. Rohan was not the smartest student in school. He was not the fastest boy in the village. But he had one strength. He never gave up. Every morning, even before the sun rose, Rohan woke up, tied his shoes, and went to the riverside for running. His dream was simple, but big. He wanted to get selected in the district sports academy. If he got selected, he could train like a real athlete. He could make his father proud. He could change his family's life. But there was one big problem. He always lost. For 2 years, he ran in every local race. He tried his best, but he always came second or third. His friends laughed and said, Rohan, this is not for you. You are wasting your time. You can never win. But Rohan did not stop. He ran every day, without break, without excuse. One rainy morning, the ground was slippery. While running, Rohan slipped and fell into the mud. His clothes were dirty, his ankle hurt badly. He sat under a tree, rainwater rolled down his face, and for the first time in many days, he cried. He said to himself, I work so hard. I wake up early. I run every day. But I still lose. Maybe my friends are right. Maybe I am just not good enough. Just then, an old farmer passed by with his cows. He stopped and asked softly, Son, why are you crying? Rohan wiped his tears and said, I run every day. I give my best, but I lose every time. I feel like all my hard work is useless. The farmer listened quietly. Then he pointed toward a bamboo grove and said, Do you see those bamboo trees? Rohan said no. The farmer smiled and said, Do you know how long a bamboo seed stays under the ground before it grows? Rohan said no. The farmer smiled. 5 years. For 5 years, you water it. You take care of it. But nothing grows. You see nothing. But suddenly, in a few weeks, it grows 80 feet tall. Rohan looked at him in surprise. The farmer continued, Did it grow suddenly? No, child. It was making its roots strong for 5 long years. You are just like that bamboo. Right now, you are making your roots strong. Do not stop. Those words went straight into Rohan's heart. After that day, something changed inside him. Now he did not run to prove others wrong. He ran to prove himself right. Whether it rained or the sun was burning or the winter was freezing, he kept running. He watched videos of professional runners, learned better breathing, improved his timing, strengthened his legs, and built a discipline. Slowly, quietly, he became stronger. 1 year later, the day of the district school race arrived. Whoever won would get selected for the sports academy. Strong runners from big city schools stood on the field. Everyone looked confident. But Rohan stood silently, calm, focused. The whistle blew. Rohan started running. He was not the fastest, but his steps were steady. His speed was balanced. His breathing was controlled. When any runner ran ahead, he didn't panic. When his legs started hurting, he didn't stop. He stayed in his rhythm. And in the last 200 meters, something magical happened. All the long mornings, all the rainy days, all the painful nights, all the failures, everything turned into power. One by one, Rohan overtook every runner, and he crossed the finish line first. The ground echoed with cheers. His teachers shouted with joy. His friends were shocked, and his father stood with tears in his eyes, proud and speechless. Rohan got selected for the district sports academy. His years of invisible effort were finally visible. Years later, Rohan returned to his village. He searched for the old farmer and found him resting under a banyan tree. Rohan smiled and said, "Because of your words, I didn't give up. If you had not encouraged me that day, maybe I would have stopped." The farmer smiled softly and said, "I am happy my words helped you, son. But remember, the decision to stop or move forward was yours. The strength was always inside you." And here is an extra insight from the Japanese mindset about consistency. In Japan, people follow a principle called Kaizen, which means small, continuous improvements every day. Even the busiest people spend 10 to 15 minutes daily improving a skill. They focus on tiny steps instead of big leaps. A Japanese athlete may run just 1 kilometer daily, but day after day, year after year, that 1 kilometer adds up. A Japanese student may write just 1 page every day, but over months, that's hundreds of pages. They understand that consistency is not about doing huge things once. It's about doing small things every single day without fail. Rohan unknowingly followed the same principle. Each run, each improvement, each small adjustment, it was building something inside him, like the bamboo growing roots underground. Big things take time. If you don't see results immediately, it does not mean your hard work is wasted. Just like bamboo grows its roots underground, your efforts are also building something inside you. Most people give up right before their breakthrough, but those who stay patient, work consistently, and believe in themselves, they are the ones who succeed. So whatever your dream is, keep working consistently. Your time will surely come. Big things take time. If you don't see results today, it doesn't mean your hard work is wasted. Just like bamboo grows its roots underground, your efforts are building your future. Most people quit right before their big moment, but those who stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay consistent, they are the ones who win. So whatever your dream is, keep moving, keep working, keep believing. Your time will come. And when it comes, it will change your life. If you like this story, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you learned and share it to inspire others. See you in the next story. Thanks for watching.